Morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 21st. We got corn down 3.5 overnight. Beans down about a penny, with wheat down a penny as well. So a lot of guys looking at crop progress. How we looking out there, and how far along planted are we? Well, 9% planted for corn. 5-year average is 13. So we did have a decent jump here from last week, but still early to talk about that. Got cold weather moving through right now. We had seen some good rains the past week. The next 5 days should open up here and give some chances to get out in the fields again. But it is still early and it is still colder out there, so that pace may be slower next week as well. But we'll see. As far as spring planting, these guys are spring wheat. Planning that, I mean, they've got different ideas. They're 36% planted right now versus a 5-year average of 19. So guys are really moving, getting that wheat in the ground. Certainly to the north, we've been hearing that, and as you could tell, at a very good pace. So we'll see. Winter wheat ratings remained unchanged at 42%. A lot of these areas that needed some rain, they had gotten some rain, and they may end up getting a little more here as we go into the next few weeks as well. Focusing on export sales, we've got that coming up on Thursday. No new sales or cancellations that were reported here this morning. So we'll see if we're going to see light sales once again. That is the expectation. Certainly for beans, we've seen bean exports really dry up, and that may continue here again this week. So keep an eye on that as we move into Thursday. As I mentioned, 1 to 5 day forecast remaining dry for most of the areas, but still going to remain cool out there, and may have guys really thinking whether or not to get planted or not. 6 to 10 day forecast has got some intermittent rains for certain areas, but nonetheless, still looking at some rain in certain areas as we move into that 6 to 10 day period. Looking at livestock, cattle right now jumping up a little bit after the couple-day decline that we've had, about 40 cents higher right now for fats. Showless, though, we're up 22,000 head. Box beef, though, coming in stronger. Choice up 135, select up 123, but finding a little bit of a recovery after seeing more than a $6 loss here over the last couple days. Hogs unchanged, trying to work their way back up. They did start lower, back to unchanged right now. Cutout values, though, down about 13 cents, but still more talk of bird flu out there, and really keeping prices from rallying, even though we've maybe found some good support as far as the cash market. But this talk of bird flu is bearish to the hogs. We're going to need to see pork prices compete with all these birds that are going to be now coming to the market. So if we do continue to talk bird flu, that is more negative here on these hogs as far as the up front. So keep that in mind as we hear more of these stories coming out. Stock market up 87. Crude oil right now about unchanged. The dollar is up 21 cents, and gold and silver trying to recover after yesterday's losses, but up $6 for gold. Silver up 21 cents right now. And if you guys have any questions out there, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.